Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Today we're making palm nut soup. In Ghana we call it a benkwan. So it's this fruit is from the palm tree. So this is a palm nut fruit that we're going to use to make soup. You can get this from the international market, the Asian market, the African market. You could get this from. We use 1 can. We're also going to use dried fish. You can use fresh fish if you want to, but I'm using dried fish. This is mackerel and some other dried fish from the African market. This is goat meat. You could use beef, you could use lamb, you could use chicken. That's up to you. This is also a spice that we use in Ghana called percocet. So it goes in soup. It's really good. And my ginger. I'm also going to use onion and garlic. For my seasoning, yes, and we're going to use 4 tomatoes as well. For my seasoning, I'm going to use anise. I'm going to blend it with my onions and garlic. Then I'm going to get salt, Old Bay, and bouillon. If you don't have bouillon, you can use Maggi cube. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put our meat in our pot, blend our onions, garlic, and ginger, and then add our spices and then steam our meat. Our percocet is also gonna go on our meat, and then we'll cover it and we're gonna cook it. Continue. We're also gonna need pepper. So whatever amount of pepper you want, you can put it in, add it to your onion, garlic, and ginger, and blend it. So now that it's blended, we're gonna pour it on our meat. We're gonna put just some spices on it or seasoning on it and let it cook and steam the meats. So the first thing that's gonna go in is our Old Bay seasoning. It's about 1.5 teaspoons. Then we're gonna put some salt. It's about 1.5 teaspoons as well. And also we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of bouillon. We're going to cover it and we're gonna let it cook. First of all, we're gonna stir it, cover it, and let it cook. Now that it's stirred beautifully, all we have to do is just cover it and let it cook. So at this time, what you want to do is you want to open up your tin of palm nut and paste, and then we're gonna dissolve it in warm water. And then when we're ready, we'll add it to the meat. So take it out and just mix it up with warm water, and we'll pour it in the soup when we're ready. So meat is cooking beautifully. What we're gonna do is stir it a little bit, and then we're gonna put our tomatoes on there and cover it and let our tomatoes cook with our meat. So now that tomato is cooked, we're gonna take it out and blend it and pour it back into our soup. So at this time also, we can add our fish to our soup. At this time also, I will pour my palm nut solution mix to my soup. Since my pot is not big enough, I'm not gonna pour all of it. I'm gonna leave some, and then I'll pour it in later on as it boils and reduces. I'm now going to pour my blended tomatoes to the soup, mix it up, and have it boil. So we're gonna let our palm nut soup cook for probably 20 to 25 minutes. You're gonna stir occasionally. Also make sure your heat is on medium and let it cook. When it's ready, the oil is gonna come sit on top. The palm nut oil is gonna come sit on top. That's when you know that your soup is ready. So this you can eat with whatever you want. You could eat it with fufu, benku, mutio, kokonte. You can eat it with rice, kenke, eba, gari, koko. You can eat it with yam. This is what it looks like when it's ready. It has the oil, palm nut oil sitting on top of it. I thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by as always. Bon appetit and enjoy. Hope you try it. Let me know how it goes. Bye.